Right now, somewhere on Earth, a factory the size of a small city is running. 24 hours, 7 days, 365 days a year. It never sleeps, it never stops. And inside those walls, something is being built that will touch your life, whether you know it or not. These aren't just factories. They are the most complex machines ever created by human civilization. And today, we're going inside. When Tesla opened its first gigafactory in Nevada, engineers described walking the production floor as disorienting. Not because of the technology, because of the scale. The building covers over 5 million square feet. If you laid out every iPhone ever manufactured end to end, you still couldn't reach the far wall of that factory. Boeing's Everett plant in Washington State is the single largest building by volume on Earth. At nearly 13 million cubic feet, it generates its own weather system inside. Clouds form near the ceiling on humid days, actual clouds, inside a factory. But sheer size is just the beginning. What happens inside these buildings is where the real story lives. In a modern mega factory, robots outnumber humans on the production floor, sometimes 10 to 1. They don't take breaks. They don't call in sick. They operate within tolerances so precise that the human eye cannot detect the difference between one part and the next. Not in 100 parts, not in 1,000,000. At Foxconn's manufacturing megaplex in China, a new generation of AI-driven machines now handles circuit board soldering at a rate of 40,000 joints per hour, per machine, with a defect rate that approaches 0. These aren't machines replacing workers, they are machines transforming what work means. The humans inside a mega factory today are less like assembly line workers and more like pilots. Monitoring, adjusting, commanding systems of breathtaking complexity. Inside a semiconductor fab, a chip manufacturing facility, you are not allowed to breathe without a mask, literally, because the human body sheds 40,000 skin particles per hour, and a single particle falling onto a microchip wafer destroys it completely. These rooms are 10,000 times cleaner than a hospital operating theater. TSMC produces chips for Apple, Nvidia, and hundreds of other companies. Their most advanced facilities maintain a temperature variation of less than 1 degree across an entire factory floor. Any more variation, and the circuits print incorrectly. At nanometer scale, even heat has opinions. And here's what most people never consider. A modern megafactory doesn't just make things, it coordinates things. A single automobile contains over 30,000 components. Those components arrive from suppliers in dozens of countries, and they must arrive in the precise order the assembly line needs them. Sometimes within a delivery window of just a few hours. Miss the window, and the entire line stops. And when that happens, every minute costs tens of thousands of dollars. The next generation of mega factories is already being built. And they look nothing like what came before. They are called lights-out factories, because when the last human worker leaves, the lights go off, and the machines keep working perfectly, in the dark. Some facilities already operate for weeks at a time without a single human inside. Machines building machines, systems running systems. A level of automation that feels less like engineering and more like something out of science fiction. By 2030, a massive share of global manufacturing will come from fully or near fully automated facilities. The mega factory isn't just an industrial achievement, it is the infrastructure of civilization itself. Quietly, relentlessly assembling the world you live in. Every car you've ever driven, every phone in your pocket, every appliance in your home, every component in the plane that took you somewhere unforgettable. All of it came from a place like this. A building that never sleeps. A machine building machines. A system so vast and precise it defies easy comprehension, and yet it works every single day. This is Industrium Secrets. If this opened your mind to what's happening just beyond the walls you can't see, subscribe, because we're just getting started.